Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is February 21st, and Fantasy Me. I love this doll, and I was born in 1957, and I absolutely had a ball in the 1970s. And I often say, oh, I miss the 70s. I wish things were still the same as the 70s. So I would say that Fantasy Me is not so much that, it's not like I want to go back, but I would. But I just miss the freedom that we had in the 1970s, how people minded their own business and criminals were taken care of, so we didn't have a lot of crime. I always laid out in the sun and got real dark. Now, some people look at this doll and see a black girl. I don't. I see an American Indian girl. I always, as a child, rooted for the Indians in the Westerns my dad used to have on the TV. I always wished my hair was black and straight. And I was, this star of the Westerns, Morning Star. It was always Morning Star or Shining Star was the pretty little Indian girl's name. So I guess that would be my Fantasy Me. I still get out in the sun and I still get dark, but not this dark. But as far as Fantasy Me, the truth is I couldn't find the doll I was going to use. This girl just came in the mail and I absolutely love her. So she has on her 70s bell bottoms. We used to take pants and flare them out like this, and you add a piece at the bottom so they'd be super long. Actually, our pants drug, and then we'd have a matching halter top. I made mine and had a lot of fun doing it. If you joined in today, please let me know. I want to see your Fantasy Me doll too. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
You're still prettier.
Thanks, baby.